In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Circle within 2025 through a step-by-step guide that will simplify the process and ensure you get the videos you need with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Open your web browser and head over to Circle's website. If you're not already logged in, find the login button, typically located at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and click Login. Now that you're inside your account, let's move on to the next step. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the space where your desired video is located. Each video is hosted in a specific space within Circle. So you'll want to click on the correct space from your dashboard. When you locate the space, enter it to proceed further. Now that you've entered the space, locate the actual post containing the video you wish to download. Usually, it's quite straightforward to find. Just scroll through the post or use the search feature if available. Once you've located the video post, look for the three dots icon, often found in the top right corner of the post. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu of options. From the menu, you should see a download option. If it's available, simply click download and the video will start saving to your device. It's important to note that not all videos will have a download button. If there isn't one present, unfortunately, that means direct downloads aren't enabled by the content owner. But don't worry, there's an alternative method available. If you can't download directly, consider recording the screen as the video plays. If you're using a Windows computer, this can be done by pressing the Windows key and G simultaneously. This opens the game bar overlay where you can start recording your screen. Similarly, for Mac users, press Shift, Command, and 5, all at the same time. This will bring up the screen recording options. Choose the record entire screen or record selected portion and hit record. For mobile users, most modern devices come equipped with built-in screen recorders. Access it through your quick settings or control center. Once your screen recording tool is open, start playing the video and begin recording. This process is intuitive, but make sure the video is playing smoothly for the best recording quality. Once you've finished recording the video, remember to stop the recording. The recording will then automatically be saved to your device. For some devices, you'll be prompted to choose where the file should be saved, so keep an eye out for any necessary final steps to properly store your new video file. And there you have it, a complete guide to downloading videos from Circle. In 2025, hopefully, these steps have made the process clear and manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading!